Hi, thanks for joining us today here at hobbyDB for another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect items in the database or about managing the relationships. Database entries can be related to subjects such as brands, designers, locations, which will be another topic for another video, but they can also be connected to each other within the database. They can be entries which are linked together, and we're going to discuss that here. But there are many, many ways that you can link them together. So as we begin, I'm going to show you some of the various ways that they can be related together. Now, there are 7 different ways that we can link or make relationships of the items we have within the database. For example, you can have the model of something. Here's the Batmobile model from the 1960s Batman TV series. And we can relate it to the actual vehicle used in the TV series. You can actually take the real version of that item and go back the other direction and link it, make a relationship back to the model. You can take a copy of something and you can make the relationship toward the original item. Vice versa, you can take the other way and go from the original item back to the copied items. You can take the successor of something and you can link it back to the predecessor. Vice versa, you can take a predecessor of something and link it back the other direction. That's how we're building relationships. Now, you can take a package for something and build a relationship toward the actual item, or you can take that was packaged in and go back the other direction. Now, you can build a relationship with a database entry of like a magazine or a book. Here we have an owner's workshop manual, and you can link it to the vehicle. Or you can take the subject, the vehicle, the actual car, and build a relationship back to the publication. You can take a part of something. Here's one item of a full set. This is what our example is here today. And you can take the set and search it out and build a relationship with that individual item. Now, you can take a spare part for something and you can build a relationship back to the original item that it does belong with. Or you can take the original item that it belongs with and search out and build a relationship back to the individual item. You see, there are many ways that we can build relationships right here at hobbyDB. And now let's start by going into the database, and we're going to search for what we want to build a relationship with today. Today we're going to be looking for Professor Z from Cars, and instead of searching by the name of the item, we're going to search it out by the reference number. Again, there are many ways you can search for items here on hobbyDB. So we're going to enter that in, then hit the Go button. Then it brings up the Professor Z. Now again, there's only one like this right now, so we want to go click on this link. So the item has appeared, and now we're at Professor Z, the actual page that highlights the information that has related subjects and other material on it. Here's the actual, this is a toy of the actual real vehicle. That's a relationship that's already been built in. You want to scroll down to the blue button in the action section, and you want to go to the manager relationship page. So you click the manage button, and now we are here, and we are going to relate something else with Professor Z. We're going to build a new relationship by clicking the add relationship button. Now we're into this, and you're going to take Professor Z, or the item that you have, and here's all these different options we already discussed that you can build a relationship with. We're going to look for a part of the set, and now we're going to cut in that name that we have been wanting to search out, Professor Z, and you're going to hit the Go button. Once you see the items pop up, these are items that could be related to the item that you're searching out. Now, we're going to build a relationship of the single item we have for Professor Z, and now link it, build a relationship with the full set. Hit the relationship button, and then hit the back to the item button. This will take you back where you've been. And now you can scroll down the first item you were looking at, and now your part of the set is now linked in there. If you would like to, you can even go into the actual item, look at this page here, and now you will see our single item is linked as well. And that is how you build relationships with hobbyDB. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@hobbydb.com.